Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add emoji in Filmora using the Filmora mobile application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Filmora application from your mobile device. Open up an existing project or start a new project you would like to work on with. Here I've opened up an existing project. After you go ahead and import a video file you want to edit from your device's gallery, go ahead and click on the sticker option at the bottom. Inside the sticker option, select emoji from the categories at the top. Once you select emoji, go ahead and choose the emoji you would like to add on your video. Browse through the available emojis or stickers and tap on one of them to choose it and apply it on your video. Once you do that, click on the tick mark at the top right and the emoji will appear on your video. Use your finger to resize the emoji or position it in your desired location. After you are done with positioning the emoji on the screen, you can also rotate your emoji by using your finger and making a small circle, just like how I'm showing on the screen. After you place it on your desired location, you will be able to see the sticker available right under your timeline of the video. Now, the next thing to do is adjust the duration of the sticker track. Drag the edges of the sticker track in the timeline and this will determine how long the emoji stays on the screen. Some emojis may offer customization options such as rotating, animation, and much more. Simply go ahead and make use of the options at the bottom and customize your emoji if needed. Finally, preview your video by tapping on the play button and you will be able to add emoji on your video. Finally, click on Export after you are done, which is located at the top right corner. Select one of the export options and you will be able to save your video. By following these steps, you can effectively add emojis on your video projects using Filmora on your mobile device. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.